How to rewatch Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to rewatch Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to uh, settings, then go to apps, and now apps again, type here Spotify, click on it. Now click for stop here, go to storage, clear cache and clear data, click OK. You will need to log in again to your account after that, but your problem will be fixed, and if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Spotify and install it again, and then just open it. Just open it like that and go back and make sure it's running in your background here, and just wait for it like 10 minutes and then close it and open it again, and you will find here you will find Spotify Wrapped. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.